Come and get them. Come and get your toys. Come on. Come and get them. Don't get upset. Just come and get them. I know you can. I saw you do it earlier. Come on. Yeah. Here she comes. Here she comes. Good job. Yay. Come on. You can do it. Your fishies are waiting. Let's go. Come on. Just a little bit further. Come on. Here's a fishy. He wants to see you. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Here she comes. Yeah. Here she comes. Yay! She got the fishies. Oh no, that's what she wanted. Good job, Eliza. Excellent job. And now she's sitting back up to play with it. Good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Eliza Jane crawled about 1.5 feet, 2 feet, just to get those things. And it only took me 12 minutes to get it on video.